Downloaded HEIC photos from Google Photos, but can't view them? Don't worry, I'll show you simple ways to turn HEIC into JPG in seconds. Part 1. Can you convert HEIC to JPG in Google Photos? Downloaded HEIC photos from Google Photos and can't open them on your computer or Android? Don't worry, I'll show you simple ways to convert them to JPG in seconds. Part 2. How to download HEIC photos as JPG in Google Photos manually. Open Google Photos on your computer and sign in. Select the HEIC photo and open it in full preview. Right-click the image and choose Save Image As. Pick a folder. The photo will be saved as a JPG on your computer. Part 3. How to convert HEIC file in Google Photos with an online converter. Open the free HEIC to JPG converter online. Click Add HEIC or HEIC to upload your photos. It converts them to JPG automatically, then hit Download to save the JPG files. Part 4. How to convert HEIC Google Photos to JPG or JPEG with HEIC Converter. When you get HEIC files from Google Photos, you could take advantage of Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter to gain the JPG or JPEG files without trouble. The best part of the tool is that it facilitates you to do the conversion. How to download and convert Google Photos from HEIC to JPEG or JPG via HEIC to JPG Converter. Step 1. In Google Photos, select HEIC images and click Download. Unzip the downloaded file. Step 2. Install HEIC to JPG Converter and connect your iPhone via USB if needed. Step 3. Click Add HEIC or drag HEIC or HEIC files to the tool directly. For HEIC photos from an iOS device, you can find them from this PC device name internal storage DSIM. Step 4. Your HEIC pictures will be displayed on the program interface. Select your desired ones. Choose the output format as JPG, JPEG. Check or uncheck Keep EXIF data and set the output path. Step 5. Click Convert to turn HEIC into JPG, JPEG, or N. After the task completes, please click on Show in Folder to view your photos.